because customer is there and he wants to be dealing with human. That's the human
Right.
desire, at least I understand. What's your take on this?
So I tell people all the time, trial and error, test it. But when you test this, you need to understand that you cannot lose your personal touch. Just like you said, AJ, like people want to deal with people, right? But it's as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, like you said, also, I mean, we have to run the business. We have to make sure that the business is making money. And not all entrepreneurs, actually, most entrepreneurs, at the beginning, we can't afford a whole team. We can't afford a whole customer service department. And so if you're going to use chatbots, test it out, get customer feedback, and try to be as transparent as possible. I tell my clients and customers all sorts of things, right? If I'm using a new program, I'm like, hey, I'm gonna send you this through the program. I don't know what it's gonna say, but you might get something, you might not. Let me know. Your audience, your customers will appreciate your transparency. If you start using it, find out what's working, what's not working. Again, get feedback from your customers or clients. And then if at the end of that, you see that you don't really need it, maybe you do need to hire an actual person, depending on your business or your industry, then go ahead and go that route. But if you find that the chatbot is actually working for you, again, tweak it, make sure that it sounds like you, or it aligns with your brand and your the tone that you set as a business. If you find that it works, then use it. But again, don't lose the personal touch and don't use it as a crutch. Don't just think that the chatbot is going to be your whole customer service department. AI does not work without human oversight, and it's not perfect, just like humans are not perfect. And so, again, you can try it out. I would suggest you try it out. See if you like it, if it works for you. If it doesn't, go a different route. If it does, please make sure that you are monitoring your chatbot in your AI technology.